Hello everyone, I am Devranjini from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to fix .NET framework error in Windows 11. So let's get into the video. Method 1. Try to download the latest version of .NET framework. For this, simply click the first link in the description box. Make sure to download the latest version 4.8. Now go back to your desktop and try to run it. If the error still persists, then let's go to the second method. This is also a very easy method. For this we will use the Microsoft Repair tool. Click the second link in the description box. Run the tool. Let's see if this fixes the issues. If the error still persists, let's try method 3. For this, go to search box, type turn Windows features on and off. Check the .NET Framework 3.5 and then click OK. Let Windows download the latest update. The last method is method 4. For this, type CMD in the search box. Then right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scan now. This will scan all the errors or corrupt files in the OS. I hope your error is fixed. If you want to know more details about this topic, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.